I'm just heading out for an outdoor shoot. So we're on our way. It's raining on and off and it's super cloudy. So let's see. This is what has happened to my hair and makeup. Hi guys, I'm just heading out for an outdoor shoot. It's like a fun collaboration shoot with a couple of friends and I think it's going to be quite fun, so I decided to vlog it. It's about 9:30 in the morning right now and I am heading to the makeup artist Apurva's place first. Say hi, that's Apurva. We're going to get ready there and then head to the shoot location from there. Okay, yeah, nice. But this is perfect. Like it'll open up also.
Yeah, it'll open up आणि तुझ्याकडे जर का comb असेल किंवा
तर थोडंसं असं
हाताने ओपन करायचं.
Very nice. So we just got done with the hair and makeup. As you can see, we've done like a very soft, neutral, nudish kind of makeup look and like soft curls in my hair. These will like open out a little bit more by the time we reach the shoot location, and that's the kind of look I'm going for anyway. Like I don't want it to be too done up. I just want it to look very natural on camera. So yeah, that's the look for today. We are on our way to the shoot location right now. We are going to scout a few outdoor, like nice green outdoor destinations around Mulshi. So we're on our way. It's raining on and off and it's super cloudy. So let's see how this pans out. We're hoping that it'll clear out at least for a bit so that we're able to get a few good shots. After like a really difficult trek carrying a lot of stuff with us, we have finally come down here. This is where we are planning to shoot. So I'm going to change into my first look now and let's start shooting. This is what has happened to my hair and makeup. What to do? And it's raining again. Oh my god! It started raining badly, so we are basically hiding out under our umbrellas. I'll show you what status we're in. Yep.
Clothes, light, trash bag.
So I changed into my second look. Crazy. It started pouring, so we kind of again took shelter umbrellas. Now it's raining again. Okay. So we this look and then we are going to a slightly different location for the third look. But I'll just show you around. It's so beautiful out here right now. Like I just wish I wasn't shooting. And I was just here to chill because it's so gorgeous out here. Wait, let me just show you around. There's like clouds on top of the mountains. It's simply stunning. Okay, so guys, I'm ending the vlog like this because by the time we reached the third look, it started raining so badly. We got completely drenched. I could not film anything after that. I couldn't even keep the vlogging camera outside. We decided to go for a wet look because it just wouldn't stop raining. And on our way back we grabbed a delicious lunch at a roadside dhaba, and I just got home. I'm extremely tired and super cold, so I'm just going to quickly hop in for a hot shower And I hope you enjoyed this vlog. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.